Once upon a time in the bustling town of Harmonyville, there lived a wise and caring father named Mr. Unity. Mr. Unity had 3 playful children, Lily, Oliver, and Mia. One sunny day, he gathered them in the backyard and shared a special message. Dear children, Mr. Unity began with a warm smile. I have a magical wish for you all. Imagine a garden where each flower is unique and beautiful, yet they all share the same soil and sunlight. He handed each child a seed, saying, "These seeds represent your uniqueness. Plant them side by side and watch as your differences create a garden filled with colors and joy." Lily, Oliver, and Mia planted their seeds, and soon, a magical garden flourished. They discovered that their diverse flowers stood tall and strong together, creating a breathtaking sight. The once separate flowers now swayed harmoniously in the breeze. Mr. Unity hugged his children and said, "Just like the garden, my dear ones, your differences make you stronger when united. Embrace each other's uniqueness, and together, you'll create a world filled with love and understanding." And from that day forward, Lily, Oliver, and Mia celebrated their individuality while standing united, creating a vibrant and harmonious family garden that blossomed with the colors of love and togetherness.